Sleep is a simple thing, disrupted by complexity, and we actually have to get back to sleep in its purest form, and it doesn't feel that we've got it right yet. In the studio's projects, we've always been interested in the science and real need. That's what drives us most, is when something can bring real benefit to people. We've become more and more focused on how we humanize the world around us. So the chance to collaborate with Tala was a chance to address something that is an increasing awareness that we all have in our lives about the quality of our sleep.
It's now proven scientifically that poor sleep or chronic lack of sleep can lead to anxiety, depression, serious diseases, perhaps even dementia. Many of us have fallen into this modern trap of the electronic device being the last thing we look at and the first thing we pick up in the morning. And so technology has started to govern our sleep in some quite unfortunate ways.
So we wanted to see whether we could design something that helps us banish our mobile phones from our sacred space that's our bedroom, but something that doesn't feel like it's from the device section of the department store, but actually feels like it's home furnishing.
We were very excited when Tala, who are known for producing beautiful and sustainable lighting designs, approached us to move into this world of smart sleep technology. But not just solve the technical problem, but also bring a soulfulness and a beauty to it. Our idea really was to take inspiration from the most classic, well-known piece of lighting design ever, the sun. And so our inspiration was drawn from the bulb and the light-emitting element as a metaphor for the sun, and the base as a natural metaphor for the earth. And we took inspiration from sunsets over lakes or the sea and the undulations of water, but ultimately naturalness. We deliberately wanted to avoid visible plastic, shiny metal, and so the palette of glass for the bulb and undulating ceramic for the base felt to us much more in tune with the topic of natural sleep. Wake brings a much-needed soulfulness to this new world of smart sleep technology. The base itself is a rotating dial. There's intentionally no distracting screens or buttons or flashing lights. It's quiet. And yet inside it will be the latest smart technology, app-controlled, complete customization, the ability to augment the lighting with sound, but to customize and tune all of that in a way that works best for you and that's individual to your way and need to sleep well.
It's actually something that is empathetic, it's organic, it feels natural, and using the light like it's a little sun can, we really believe, take the best advantage of the science that people are looking at in the science of sleep.